Hi, welcome to mycutetoons with Jock. Today we're going to draw an animal with the help of number 6. So we're going to draw an elephant today. So again, we're going to use a pencil and we're going to use our trusty marker. So follow along with me. So as you can guess, the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to draw number 6. So let's do this, number 6. So you can draw a big number 6 like this. Good, that's perfect. And now what I want you to do is from the bottom of number 6, just draw a little line up. That would be the smile of our elephant. And we're going to draw a line like this. Perfect. And then we're going to draw a little mouth. So from here, the middle of the 6 at the bottom, you're going to go down and you're going to go up. All the way like this. See? And then a little tongue right there. Good. And then from here, we're going to draw a little line down like so. And we're going to go around. And remember, this is a rough line that we follow now. We're going to change everything a bit later. So don't worry too much about it. Good. And then I want us to draw an eye. So right above here, you're going to draw a line like this. Good. And you're going to draw a line up. You're going to draw a line up like this. So that would be roughly the eye. And we're going to draw some eyelashes as well. There we go, there's 2 eyelashes and the inside of the eye. And as we always do, we're going to draw light reflections on the top of the eye, 1, and here at the bottom, another 1. We're not going to color it in right now. Good. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to draw the trunk. So I want you to just draw a line down like this. Good. And then we're going to follow this line back up. So you're going to go, and when you go up, make sure that you make it a bit wider like this. There we go. And then maybe just a small little line like this. So we're going to do something like that. Good. And then let's draw the tip of the trunk. You can draw a funny little line like this. And there's the tip of the trunk as well. And now from here, we're going to draw the top of the head. So we're going to go straight up like so, and we're going to go down like this. Good, you with me? Perfect. And then from here, we're going to start with the ear. We're going to draw a line like this, another line, and you're going to go up, and you're going to go down, and you're going to go back like this. And that's the ear. And then from here, we're going to go up, and we're going to go all the way around, down like that. Perfect. Eyelash. Here's one, and there's the other eyelash as well. And then I want us to draw the other ear. So we're just going to draw something big like this. There's the ear on the other side. Perfect. And then for the body. So we're going to bring a line down. Good. And we're going to connect it like so. Go back like this, and we're going to go up with the leg, and you're going to make another crease like that. That's perfect. And then from here we're going to draw the other leg. You're going to go down like this, and you're going to return it. So there's the other leg. Perfect. And now for the belly. About the same height as that, you'll go back and you're going to draw the belly. Not too big, just a small belly like this. That's perfect. For the hind leg, remember we're on this height, so maybe we can just draw a reference line back so we know. So from here, you're going to draw a line like this and like so. And you're going to make it round like that. Perfect. You bring it in and bring it up. So we're going to stop right there. And then from here, just above the ear, you're going to make a line. And again, we're going to make a round line like so. And there's our elephant. And on this side we can draw the leg as well. the inside leg. There we go. And there's the legs. And don't forget about the tail. So here we go. Down like this. Again and down like that. And we're going to make it a bushy tail. There we go. And there's our elephant. So now we can go ahead. We can take our marker and let's complete the elephant. So I would like to start here at the furthest point. So I'm going to draw the back leg, first the foot, then we're going to go up, and you're going to follow this line all the way around, yeah, like so, and you're going to connect it with that line. Perfect. And then for this leg on this side, you're going to do the same thing, like this. And then for the little belly, so let's start here, and we're going to draw the belly. Follow along with me. Nice and round. And then the other leg, and there we go. There's the other leg finished as well. And now we can draw the nails. So our elephant's going to have 2 nails on this side, and it's going to have 1 nail on that side. Good. The tail, follow the lines through with the tail, yeah, perfect. And then from here we're going to draw the bushy little tail. There we go. And now for the front leg. So let's start. You can draw the lines again, and remember, if you made some mistakes, you can try to rectify those mistakes with your marker, because we're going to erase the pencil lines in any case. So there's one leg, and don't forget the toes. We're going to have 2 toes here. And then from here we're going to just draw a nice line, nice curvy line for the front of the body, the chest area. And then we're going to draw the foot again. You see, I didn't follow this line. I made my own because I saw there was some room for improvement. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do, we're going to draw the ear. Now I think the ear should be a little bit bigger. So I'm going to draw the ear. So look what I'm doing. So I'm going over and I'm going to go past this line, and then I'm just going to bring it a lot, make it a lot bigger. See? And that's how I rectify my mistakes. Good. And then I'm just going to draw a little inside of the ear as well, and I'm going to bring it down and I'm going to touch it there. Good. Now for the eye. So there we go. Nice, beautiful, round eye. And I'm going to draw there we go. And then our 2 light reflections with our light in there. Good. And we're going to color it in. So again, be careful not to go over the lines. Stay within them. Stay within those lines. And we're going to continue right around like this. Perfect. And we're going to finish up with our eye. There we go. There we go. There's our eye. And the eyelashes as well. And then what we're going to do, let's do the top of the head. So I'm going to just follow this line up and over, and I'm going to do a little bit of a change here. So I'm going to just bring it in a bit like that, and then from here I'm going to draw the trunk. So here we go. There's the trunk. Good. And then from here, and remember, we take the trunk a little bit wider. I'm going to do it like that, and I'm going to return just a little line like so, and I'm going to connect it. And then for the tip, I'm going to do that. Perfect. Now I'm going to make a few guidelines. I'm going to make a line there, another line there. It's wrinkles on our little elephant. And oh, we must remember the eyelashes here as well. And of course the big ear. So I'm going to just make it a little bit bigger like this. And then I'm going to draw a few little lines here at the bottom as well, just for the little trunk, like so. So there we go. I think it looks perfect. And now for the mouth. I'm going to make the mouth a little bit smaller. It's too big, I think. So smile, yeah. And here, look, I'm going to make it very small. I'm going to draw the tongue. I'm going to bring this line down. And we're going to just do this. And I'm going to make it round like that. And you see, then I'm just going to connect the neck like so. And there we go. There is our little elephant. So what you can do now, you can take your eraser after your ink is dry and you can erase all the pencil lines. And then thereafter, you can actually take some colored pencils, markers or crayons, and you can color this elephant in the colors you like. It was a pleasure drawing with you. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon.